The ebike XX1 electric bike is designed for men and optimized for cross-country and off-road adventures. Here are some key features and specifications. 1. Electric motor. Power 200W motor, which provides substantial power for tackling tough terrains and steep inclines. 2. Battery. Type lithium battery. Capacity 35 Ah, offering extended range and riding time on a single charge. 3. Size 20 inches, off-road specific, providing good grip and stability on rough surfaces. 4. Design. Frame likely designed to be robust and durable, suitable for mountain biking and cross-country riding. Intended user. Specifically marketed for men, potentially featuring a frame geometry tailored for male riders. Ideal for adult riders looking for a high-performance electric bike for off-road and cross-country biking. These specifications make the ebike XX1 a powerful and reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts who need a bike capable of handling demanding trails and rough terrains.